Hello again, everybody. My name is Trevor Carlson. I'm the president of Heritage Reverse Mortgage. We are reverse mortgage specialists, and we like to produce content that is informative and helpful for people related to our industry. Of course, a mortgage is usually the largest investment and expense that most people will have in their lives. So we try to help people to make the right choices. They're choosing a reverse mortgage or a mortgage in general. Now, what I wanted to talk about today was adjustable interest rates. Now I know you've probably heard lots of nasty, evil things about adjustable interest rates, but I want you to know that there is a legitimate place for adjustable interest rates. And so I wanted to write this article and produce this video to kind of help clarify some of these misconceptions so that you can make sure you're making the right choice for what you're doing. Now again, I'm not advocating one way or the other. Fixed rates are safe and secure. Adjustable rates are almost always cheaper, but that doesn't mean that one or the other is going to be the right choice for you. You need to do the research and get all of the information you can to make sure you're making the best financial choice for yourself. So let's talk about adjustable interest rates. What's the difference? So with an adjustable interest rate, the mechanics are exactly the same as any other fixed interest rate. The only difference is that with an adjustable rate, the interest rate and the charges for the loan can fluctuate with the market. Now, historically, this is a good thing, and as I illustrate in the article, without exception, over the past 22 years, people that have had a adjustable interest rate have fared far better than people with a fixed interest rate. And the reason is because when you have a fixed interest rate, your rate's locked in. Your payment, your interest rate, all of that is predictable and it's set. Until you refinance the loan or you sell the home, that number is what it is. With an adjustable interest rate, that interest rate can fluctuate, and vice versa, your payment as well. And so typically what happens is an adjustable rate will start slightly lower than a fixed rate, and there will be periods where it goes up above the fixed rate, but by and large, over the past 40 years, interest rates have fallen. And as you can see in the graph, our historical trend since the 1980s has been a downward slope. And so interest rates are improving. Yes, there are times or periods where interest rates will pop up. This typically has to do with the economy. The relationship is based on economic strength. And so when an economy is good, when an economy is strong, typically inflation and interest rates will rise during those periods. But when an economy begins to suffer or there's turmoil or turbulence in the world, that's when interest rates will come down to support economic growth. And so again, we have a government that seems to be very addicted to low interest rates. And so, history tells us that they're probably not going to break that anytime soon. And so again, that is why most people who've had an adjustable interest rate have fared better than those who've had a fixed interest rate. And so if you have questions about this or anything else related to your mortgage, please let us know. We're happy to help. Again, I'm not advocating you doing an adjustable interest rate. In fact, in the near term, you may want to steer clear of them, as we know interest rates are rising right now because of inflation. But long term, over a 5, 10, 15-year period, almost always you'll probably save money with an adjustable interest rate versus a fixed rate if you don't refinance. Now, again, this is all strategy that your mortgage professional should be helping you with. I'm just trying to spark thoughts and ideas that may help you to live better and save money long term. So again, if you have questions or comments, I'm always happy to field those, always happy to help you. And we look forward to doing what we can to help you make your life better.